evening, guys. The most common question people ask me is why and what you doing here. People don't say that thing by their words, but the eyes ask you the questions that who you guys are, what we are doing here. And that led me to the thinking once. I was reading a book of Munawwar Rana Mahajar, and the book title is Mahajar Nama. He describes us very well in that who we are. My father migrated from India to Pakistan. Those people who know me, they know a little bit about me and the type of guy I am. So yes, in the mid of the century there was a tragedy happened back at subcontinent. I heard a deliberate word, I use a word, tragedy. Some people say it's a debatable question now that it was a right decision or a wrong decision. But I will still be holding the decision of creation of Pakistan because my forefathers sacrificed for it. The vision was there, but we lost the cause. And due to that, I am here now. Within 50 years, we left it. It's like a third migration. It gives me thoughts that who we are, we lost the identity on the day of then the 3rd June. Lord Mountbatten sketched some lines on the map and the creation of Pakistan and India done. What could we achieve as one union? It's just a vision, it's just a thought of an dying man. If I say these things back in my own homeland, I will be charged for treason. What they will say like, see, that's why we call them Mahajars. Yes, that word Mahajar. Today I will talk about this.
Mahajar is an immigrant.
Mahajar is an immigrant, yes. We all are Mahajars here. You, me. This is an island made of Mahajars. But Caucasian people own it. And they have a right to own it like we own the India. In India, before 1947, there were no Muslim, no Hindu, everyone was Bharati. Akhand Bharat was our dream, the greater India. It was not a Hindu India or a Muslim India, it was Hind, Pako, Hind. The glory of thousands years, we lost it. Just a moment. So on that thought, sometimes I think, what I am doing here? My father and my grandfather left Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh, India for the pursuit of happiness. They was not living for the pursuit of happiness, but they were living for the cause of the religion. There was a vision that the new nation will be a nation where Islam will be home and Muslims will be welcome. But circumstances and hierarchy made that nation into sectarism, into caste, into Sindhi, Punjabi, Mahajar and Pathan. We are not Pakistanis anymore. And that was done on the very first day, on 14th day of August 1947. Till that day, the people who migrated from India to Pakistan are known as Mahajars. We can't undo the history, but what we can do is learn from the history. And one hope, like in Europe where we live now as immigrants, our passports, just like when I read the word immigration status being updated or highly skilled migration program, that was I am on. Highly skilled migrant. Yes, the word migrant will always associated with you. Will always associated with our kids, their kids. And I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 generations down the hill it will be changed. But let's cut the topic short. We can still have the peace in our time. We can learn from the Europe. We can learn from Britain and France that they fought for over 100 years. And after that, What they did? Battle by guns, you can't solve any problem. People ask me this question many times that I am Chicago. Chicago police, I sponsors them, I wear Avex jackets and this money goes to them, and this all type of secularism capitalist thing that, oh, actually you're supporting the cause, you are a coconut and thing. I am a prospectus guy. Yes, this is like, very recently a guy was talking to me and I was saying me, you are not Pakistani actually. He's a Indian guy and I was talking about Akhand Bharat, my dream of a greater India, which includes Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, current day in India and Pakistan and some parts of Iran. I say, yeah, that is Akhand Bharat. That was our dream. That was our Santan. That was our thing, which has been taken away and made it into 7 different countries. It should be united. But now the countries can't be undo. What we can do is, we can learn from the Europe. We should make it border free. We should relax the borders. The money we are spending on the military advancement and intimidating everyone and spying, that could be used to development of the schools and societies and the culture. If today I will take you to Pakistan, I was showing you that video if you remember, the malls in Pakistan where the British High Commission was proudly standing and say that this is the same Dolmen team, the people who started a Dolmen mall back in 1988 in Northern Ireland, and they are doing in Karachi. I am not against the progress. What progress we are talking about? That's a debatable question, and that's a debatable question, not fightable question. We don't have to fight, we have to debate it. We have to find a solution. Every argument we can do, everything can be resolved by a debate, an open-minded debate where people, like you see, there's a girl, there's a woman from that window. She just took up a curtain and she just saw and she tried to see what these guys are doing here. With this big camera and the guy in our background is an immigrant guy, he's also working to fix some lines. People are suspicious of each other's behaviors. What is it? Because we are not one nation anymore. Anyways, cut the topic short. I will recite some parts of Mahajarnama and then I will give you the English version of those. So, people ask me here so many times that, why? So I tell them this thing. महाजर हैं मगर एक दुनिया छोड़ आए हैं. महाजर हैं मगर एक दुनिया छोड़ आए हैं. तुम्हारे पास जितना है इतना छोड़ आए हैं. Look at these flats. Yes, one of the posh areas of London. I think this is one of the posh areas of London. But they are flats. You don't even own the land. You don't even own the sky. And back in times, first I will tell in India and this, people used to have special doors manufactured just to let the elephant pass through. And those grandsons have to walk to the schools and been shredded in the floods of Pakistan, Karachi. So this is what we are talking about, and look at this scenario where we live. London, this small place, wooden floors, and what we left behind. So, महाजिर हैं मगर हम एक दुनिया छोड़ आए हैं. तुम्हारे पास जितना है उतना छोड़ आए हैं. कई आंखें अभी तक ये शिकायत करती हैं. Whenever I saw an old woman, it gives me a feeling of emptiness, like how my mother used to think, what she used to be like, what she used to feel. Whenever I used to call her and I have to say like, no mom, I have to put the phone down, I have to go to the work, or I have to sleep, or like beta, you have to sleep, you have to get some rest. So कई आंखें अब तक ये शिकायत करती रहती हैं कि हम बहते हुए काजल का दरिया छोड़ आए हैं. I do remember, like I am one of the blessed people who can travel back home like 3 or 4 times in a year. But those were like, before I leave from here to back home, I know when I have to come back and what I have to do when I come back. I am guest in my own country, in my own home. So, कई आंखें अभी तक ये शिकायत करती रहती हैं कि हम बहते हुए काजलों का दरिया छोड़ आए हैं. शकर इस जिस्म से खिलवाड़ करना कब छोड़ेगी. शकर इस जिस्म से खिलवाड़ करना कब छोड़ेगी कि हम जामुनों के पेड़ों को अकेला छोड़ आए हैं. Most of the immigrants who lived in these great islands is not because of the islands. They fall depressed. They got addicted into depression, blood pressure, and this, tiredness, loneliness, and that caused to some diseases. Shakar is just like the very common disease in Asian people. So, शकर इस जिस्म से खिलवाड़ करना कब छोड़ेगी कि जामुनों के पेड़ों को अकेला छोड़ आए हैं कि जामुन के पेड़ को अकेला. I still remember the plant I planted back home. I sometimes feel that what will be happening to that plant now, who will be watering it. I have some people who lives back home to take care of that thing, servants, but they are not my people, they are not my parents. They are some paid people, take carers. I am not going to use the word servants, take carer. So jamun is a fruit, it is especially grown up in India and it is very good for the sugar. Anyways, कहानी का ये हिस्सा आज सबसे छुपा है. कहानी का ये हिस्सा आज तक सबसे छुपा है कि हम मट्टी के खातिर सोना छोड़ आए हैं. कहानी का ये हिस्सा आज तक सबसे छुपा है कि हम मट्टी के खातिर अपना सोना छोड़ आए हैं. I wish we could be at Trafalgar Square so I can actually show you how the pigeons work, okay? But I will explain you that thing later. कई दर्जन कबूतर तो हमारे पास ऐसे थे. कई दर्जन कबूतर तो हमारे पास ऐसे थे जिन्हें पहना के चांदी का छल्ला छोड़ आए हैं. जिन्हें पहना के चांदनी का छल्ला छोड़ आए. हंसी आती है अपनी ही अदाकारी पर. हंसी आती है अपनी ही अदाकारी पर खुद हमको. बने फिरते हैं यूसुफ, बने फिरते हैं यूसुफ, जुलेखा छोड़ आए हैं. बने फिरते हैं यूसुफ, जुलेखा छोड़ आए हैं. इधर छेती से उड़े अस्मा को पहुँचे. आई विश देयर वाज अ पिजन हियर सम